come up with 2 problems. So here we go. First one, we distribute. Distribute means multiply. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, so I just make that minus 6. Bring everything else down. Okay? Next step, combine like terms. What goes with the 3x? The minus x, and that is the same thing as minus 1x. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and that gets an x on it. We're going to combine the negative 6 and the positive 2. Those are constants. When I combine, I get negative 4, so I'm just going to write minus 4. Bring down the equals, bring down the 16. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So I'm going to bring down the 2x, bring down the equal sign. When I add 4 over here, I get 20. Last step, divide by 2 and get 10. How'd y'all do? Do you have a question? So remember, distribute, then combine like terms, and then it's a 2-step equation. Does anybody have a question on that? If you got stuck, I can come look and see what happened. Don't mind. You good? Okay. All right, this one does not require distribution. We don't have any parentheses. So we move straight to combining like terms. I have a 5x and a negative 1x. When I combine those, I get 4x. I've got a positive 4 and a negative 2. When I combine those, I get a positive 2. Bring down the equal sign, bring down the 14. Question on that step? Okay, 2-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. Bring down the 4x, bring down the equal sign. When I subtract 2, I get 12. And last step, divide by 4 and get 3. Question? Be more than happy to talk about it if somebody... Okay. Okay, so we're going to do this. If you would, without kicking, hitting, spitting, any of that, you can go ahead and grab a whiteboard marker eraser. We're going to do 2 problems before our exit ticket. Okay, so we're going to work out these 2 problems on the whiteboards. Maybe talk to your table partners if you get stuck, and call me over if you want me to check your answers. Okay, folks. You guys did a really good job, but I'm going to go over this so that everybody's got it. So when I distribute here, 4 times x is 4x, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. I'm going to bring everything else down. My next step is to combine like terms. So I've got a 4x that goes with a positive 2x. That gives me 6x. My constants, I've got a negative 8 and a negative 4. When I combine that, I get a negative 12. Notice I just wrote minus 12. Bring down my equal sign, bring down my 30. Add 12 to both sides. Bring down my 6x. When I add 12 on the right-hand side, I get 42. Divide both sides by 6, and I get 7. We do good there? Okay. The second one, there is no distribution. We're just combining like terms. So I'm going to combine the 6x and the negative 4x. So this is 6 minus 4, which is 2x. Then I'm going to combine the positive 5 and the positive 3 to give me positive 8, and then bring down the equal sign, bring down the 26. Next step, subtract 8. So 26 minus 8 is 18. And last step, divide by 2. We get 9. We good? Okay. So what I need for you to do, you guys are going to need your whiteboards, but we're not going to use them for the exit ticket. So if you'll wipe them off, they got to be wiped off. Let's put our caps on, just move them to the side. Warm-ups need to be put away. We're going to do an exit ticket. So anything that's got math on it needs to be put away.